Do I need to install fee breakers on a heat pump and water pump for the pool? The heat pump and pump are located 35 feet away from the pool. Both units are connected to 220 volts. Robert.
Hello, my name is XXXXX I'm here to answer any of your electrical questions. No, these do not need to be on a GFI. As far as the pool goes, the only thing that needs to be on a GFI is the pool light.
As far as grounding requirement for the pool, do I need to install a ground to steel access ramp or other device near the pool?
No, your pool contractor will normally take care of any bonding that needs to be done with the pool.
I will be using an all aluminium cable because the panel from the house is located 200 feet away from the pool. Do I need to install copper cable from my 60 amp distribution panel to the motor and heat pump?
Yes, copper cable needs to be used. Is there anything else I may help you with?
Thank you for your help with this project.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.